Beard Wax 101. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, beard wax. If you've ever wondered what it means or why it's used, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Beard wax is a combination of two words. 1. Beard. The hair that grows on the chin, cheeks, and neck of humans, especially on men. 2. Wax. A substance that becomes soft when heated and hard when cooled. In this context, it refers to a product used for styling. When combined, beard wax refers to a product specifically made to style and shape beards. Beard wax is not just about looks. It serves several purposes. 1. Styling. It helps in giving the beard a particular shape or style. 2. Protection. Provides a shield against external elements like dust and pollution. 3. Nourishment. Often contains essential oils and vitamins to keep the beard healthy. Using beard wax is simple. 1. Take a small amount in your fingers. 2. Rub it between your hands until it warms up and becomes soft. 3. Apply it evenly through your beard, styling as you go. Remember, a little goes a long way. There you have it, a brief explanation of beard wax. We hope this clears up any confusion. Whether you're rocking a beard or just curious about the phrase, now you know what it means and its purpose. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.